What's up, what's up, what's up? Today we're gonna do hotteok.
Hotteok.
What is hotteok?
What's hotteok? That's
Hotteok.
Daniel's face.
Actually in Korea, if you got a big round face, we call it hotteok face. So we're gonna make some big round face snacks. And we're gonna fill them up with some honey and
sugar, tasty stuff.
yeah. We were thinking about doing it from scratch, but it does take a lot of time. But a lot of Korean stores sell these boxes. Katie, box please. Alright, at Korean marts, they have these boxes ready to go. And yeah, oh, it's the package way. No, it's the easy way. And today we're gonna go simple.
And then we're gonna see how it really tastes and give you an honest review on it.
That's right.
Opening time, start. By the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video at all. We're doing this out of our own genuine interest.
I love the Konglish. Using superior quality ingredients and delicious recipe. We guarantee great taste and fun.
All the instructions are in Korean. So you follow what we do and you're good to go. First step is we need water at 40 to 45 Celsius.
How are we gonna measure 40? We don't have a thermometer.
So we need 3/4 cup in total. We're gonna use 1/4 cup of boiling water. Here's the boiling water. In 1/2 cup of cold water. In. This temperature should be around 40 to 45 Celsius now. Yeast in. This is the yeast that activates the flour.
Then here's the mix.
Oh, it's getting thicker. It's drought. Everything is dying out of thirst.
You're gonna get in there with your hands. From here, we're gonna just have fun for 10 minutes. So you just wanna
keep mixing it and pushing it.
Release your relationship anger.
죽을래. 좀 잘해봐. 왜 이렇게 손가락에 달라붙고 그래?
I like to stretch it out, get some air in there. At this point, it shouldn't stick to your fingers, right? It's coming off. We're gonna wait 10-15 minutes. Katie, let's watch an Olympic match. Which one's on right now?
Nothing.
Okay, we're gonna just sit on our thumbs and we'll be back.
We're gonna look at the filling, what we need to put inside the flour. Oh, it's already smelling like sweet.
Just from the smell, brown sugar, cinnamon for sure, sunflower seeds.
You first have to wet your finger with some oil.
That's right.
Just a little bit, that's enough. I'm gonna pull off a little piece, maybe just about the size to cover my palm. 1 spoon in here. Oh, it's going over.
Don't pour it in here. Get away, get away. You making a taco or you making hotteok? Oh my
That's what you do.
So it looks like Katie's doing a soup dumpling. That one is for Katie here. I think we can still rescue it. Here, we'll just keep folding it so that becomes the innard.
It's all covered, look.
Good.
Like magic.
All right, Katie, baptize me, please. No, with the oil, it's my turn.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh, this feels so nasty. Oh shoot, this is
This
really
looks
big.
really big.
Yeah, excellent. And then I'm gonna just bring it up like a mandu. All right, and then we're gonna just keep pinching it, and then like we did last time, just bring it. All right, guys, this is mine. I'm gonna put mine up on top here. K rolls, Daniel's.
어, 다 터져. Here too.
Oh, 얇겠다.
Surgery. We ended up with 9 dumplings.
That's 8, babe.
Oh, sorry, 8. Today we're gonna use a spatula with no holes.
But in Korea, they usually have this like tool where you stamp down on the hotteok and it spreads it out evenly. But who's gonna go buy that? Nobody. Let's start. Put it on a medium heat.
Like this.
I'm gonna put a good amount of oil in the frying pan.
Once it turns hot, we're gonna reduce it down to a low heat. And then I'll put Daniel's fat on next.
Oh,
Oh,
jeez.
don't stick. Look at this oil dancing.
And
Gonna
then
push mine down now. Full strength. Let's see. Oh, stick 해버렸다. 아 이것도 여기도 오일을 붙여야 되나 봐.
The thing is, we just want to flatten this out a little bit. Okay?
Kind of evenly.
Yeah, to an even length.
Don't do it too much.
I think that's good enough. So,
2
Katie, how long should we leave this?
Leave this on about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm gonna flip this now.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, nice. This is more close to the real size you get. So Daniel, I told you not to be greedy.
It's leaking. Ooh, nice color. Take a look at the winner and the loser.
Winner and the loser.
All right, press it down. It's
Press
hammer
it
time.
down.
Nice. Woohoo! Look at these guys. And this one looks good too. All right, guys. So we have our hotteok here. This one is the latest one. It's too hot. I can't even tell which one is Katie's and which one is mine.
This
Oh,
one
it's too
looks
hot.
like
Too
yours.
hot. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. All right, this one's chilled.
Come on, hurry! I wanna eat.
This is smarter. Guys, you'll see in the inside it's filled with cinnamon, sugar, and lovely goodness. And we didn't do such a good job in filling because all the filling's on top. It should be right in the middle. But who cares? Let's eat!
We saw this on a Korean TV show.
we don't have an ice cream. We don't have an ice cream roller out, so we're gonna.
Doesn't matter.
We're gonna use our.
It doesn't matter, Daniel. Don't laugh.
Next, we're gonna use our measurer, our tablespoon measure, and then a chopstick.
Don't make me. Oh, why it looks so dirty now?
Oh, very nice. We
It
just
looks
put some here. Yeah. Here we are. We have a ice cream hotteok.
Let me just taste it and see how it tastes.
Get some ice cream on there too.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah.
taste it. Mmm. Mmm. You see the sugar inside? Some nuts.
Get some ice cream in there.
I'm gonna put some ice cream in there.
Give me some vanilla, baby.
Some vanilla here.
No. 1 tablespoon. A hotteok taco coming right up.
Oh, so cold.
And it's now time to watch the Olympics. And I hope the country you're rooting for does well.
Yay!
Adios.
Adios!